What's good, YouTube? It's EMesi. This is for my other channel, and this is an unboxing of some sneakers I ordered. I believe they're my Ralph Lauren Rylander boat shoes, and I'm going to use this Jason Voorhees knife right here to open it. I think I have it the right way. I don't think I really need this knife. This is kind of unnecessary. Okay. Got it like that. I'm gonna quickly open this, but I'm not sure. I'll get back to you guys when I open it. Alright, so I've opened up the box and stuff. You keep in the box. It's a nice Ralph Lauren thing. You know it's official. It says, "Thank you for ordering from RalphLauren.com. Our commitment to providing the finest products and service to our customers continues in the Polo Ralph Lauren tradition." You know, you got the official letter and stuff. Gotta keep all this. Here's the box. Sneakers, Polo Ralph Lauren. Like that. Keep the box and stuff perfectly conditioned. Alright. Now let's go with shoe 1. Looks pretty sweet to me. Ryland. And here's sneaker number 2. Pretty fresh. So I'm gonna do a quick small mini video of me having them on. I'll probably take some picture shots and stuff. Comment, rate, subscribe. More videos to come. Right. Peace, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, and have a great New Year. Deuces.
Eat shit and die, bitch.